Did you ever feel like one mistake could send your side hustle dreams tumbling straight down the drain? Well, stick around because I'm about to turn your fears into your fuel. All right, my side hustlers, let's dive in. Mistakes, yeah, we're going to make them, right? Just resolve yourself to that. But here's the kicker I want you to walk away with. It's not about avoiding mistakes. It's about what you do after you stumble, after you bumble, after you face plant, after you face palm. Let's unpack this, shall we? First up, one of the classics, domain name dilemmas. Picture this. You've got the perfect brand name. Yeah, you're ready to go. But oops, someone else snagged the domain before you could even blink. What's the lesson here? Move fast. Secure your digital turf before anyone else does. Here's the thing. When you get a great idea and you decide you're going to travel down that great idea road, before you tell anyone about it, grab your domain. The lesson learned. Next, let's talk about rebranding risks. Have you ever heard the little mix-up where a rebrand went, well, let's say sideways? Yeah. Imagine going from well-known name to something that sounds like it belongs in a completely different industry. Yikes! Yeah, the takeaway I want you to walk away with here is, if it ain't broke, maybe you just give it a little polish instead of a total overhaul. Right? We've seen those cars out there that run great, and someone goes on there and starts adding all these things to it, and you're like, ew, that sucks. And in the same tone, let's talk about some of the titans of many industries who have tripped, who have stumbled, who have fallen, and who have faceplant. Like a video giant we all know about from back in the 90s, right? That video giant, Blockbuster, right? Who laughed off streaming as the next big thing. Now, where are they? Yeah. This is a tale of caution. This is a tale of adapting to innovation, to tech. Or how about that retail king out there who missed the e-commerce boat? Ooh, that's a big oofa, right? Can you say Sears? Yeah, all right. It's all about keeping your ear to the ground and dancing with the times, not against them. And here's a golden nugget I want you to walk away with, folks. Every mishap, every facepalm is a hidden gem of wisdom in disguise. Trip over a naming blunder? You just had a masterclass in branding. Overlooked a market shift? You just moved yourself one step closer to becoming a trend spotter. So, my friends, here's to embracing all of your blunders. Here's to transforming those blunders into your boldest moves. Because in a game of side hustles, it's the comeback stories that truly inspire. Now, go make those mistakes. And more importantly, make those mistakes count. Think successfully and take action.